Hey everyone, welcome back to another unboxing from Bullion Now. Bullionnow.com.au, your best place to buy bullion, bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia.
He remembered.
It's coming off naturally. It's been a while since we've been here.
It's been ages since we've done a background on one of these things, mate.
It is. What have we got?
Well, I mean, this is great. We got Ruben back behind the camera,
Back
giving
in
me a
the
hard
store.
time. Yeah, we're in the store with the signage and all that sort of fun stuff. So we've got, it's not an old classic, but it's one that was released a little while ago, but it's part of the Royal Australian Mint series. So in some ways, it's kind of an old one and a new one at the same time.
It need to hold you up there. The Royal Australian Mint. That's not normally where we get stuff from.
No, that's right. So these are a beautiful coin. These are part of their Dolphin series. So this is the Dusty Dolphin that they, sorry, Dusky, not Dusty, Dusky Dolphin
Verification there.
that they released earlier this year. We happened to come across some stock at one of the wholesalers, so we grabbed it, and we figured that we'd do a quick release on them. This is just a really quick one. We've only got a few hundred of them, so they won't be on the web long. If you need them to complete your collection or you're just interested in them, grab them. They are a bit dearer than what you'd see on the Perth Mint sort of bullion coin, but they're certainly not excessive, particularly with the way spot is at the moment. So it's a few hundred there. Grab them while you can. You want to throw anything else in, Ruben?
There's another box.
Oh, there's another box. Oh, it's another box.
There's another box. Are we doing the other box now?
Let's do the other box now. I thought they were all the Duskies. You're going to tell me there's something else?
I have brought another box.
Wow, I'm not even sure I knew this was here.
All right, we've now clarified. Not only was there another box, Michael, there's another box.
There was not one, not two, but three.
But wait, there's more.
There is. So, yes. I noticed that on this whole thing, Ruben's going to cut out his mistakes and just leave mine.
No. That's the brilliant part of being the one to edit it together. We'll see what actually makes it to the cutting room floor.
So we do. We have the 2021 Southern Cross. So back in stock. So this is the one with a little platypus mint mark, just right there where, well, is that where Sydney would be?
Yeah. So they did.
A little bit high for Sydney, but yeah.
They did them state by state. So there was the kangaroo one, that was the 2022, and they did that in Victoria, and the 2021 was the platypus. So maybe I'm doing it the other way around.
It was the 2020, wasn't it? That was the kangaroo.
That's it.
Yeah. So we get so many coins through here, it's hard to remember all.
We do, but they did them state by state, which is always kind of cool, I think. And I didn't think we noticed on the first one until we saw this one, and then went, oh, that's what they're doing.
Yeah. So they're a very cool coin. But that is not the only coin that we have from the Royal Australian Mint.
No, we've got a trifecta.
It's amazing what happens when Ruben and I argue out in the back room and go, hang on a sec.
Isn't that box for this one?
Yeah. What's that box there? Oh, that's right. We do know what we're doing, really.
I'm sure they're convinced.
Just spend 10 minutes in the store, you'll know exactly what we're doing.
More RAM goodness there.
More RAM goodness. Now these, I love these ones. These are absolutely beautiful coins. So again, RAM released these earlier this year, and we happened to pick some up later on from one of the wholesalers. And typical RAM, you can't get into their packaging, and it's even worse if you try and open one of their capsules. They're unbelievable. So here it is. Dum dum dum.
The reveal.
So you've got the kangaroo on one side, looking absolutely stunning.
Again, specifying New South Wales.
Yeah.
So it'll be interesting to see if they do this as a continued series state release as well.
I mean, it's got the Waratah in it. Just the whole background of it. It's just beautiful. The detail that's in there is incredible with what they've done with this one. And then you flip it over the other side, and you've got all of that as well with a shrunken coin, which always seems to prove popular when
always seems to.
Yeah, when they bring the design out on the other side and then just minimise the monarchy. So she's still there and still very, very prominent and important, but can blend in with the whole design of the coin. And I think with this one, they've really nailed it. You got the start of the Southern Cross on it. Yeah, it just looks the bee's knees. So again, don't have many of these in, unfortunately. We could only grab the mop-up stock that was left over at one of the wholesalers, but we've got them in stock right now. So pause the video, zip over, get them, and then come back and watch the end of the video. You want to add anything to that?
Don't think so. I think we're pretty much at the end of the video.
I think we should be. There's no more boxes hiding out the back.
Not that we know.
don't know about. That we think are one thing and they're actually another.
At this stage, we'll move them to a separate unboxing if that's the case.
All right, that's it for now. Like, share, subscribe, all the good things that we like everyone to do. Check out the website, bullionnow.com.au, where you'll find these and other things. Come into the store if you're in level 6, 227 Collins Street in Melbourne, or give us a call 1300 84 84 10 and talk to the great team that answers the phone. That's it for now. We'll talk again soon. See ya.